today's video. We're gonna be going fishing around the ocean, jigging for some stuff. Hopefully find something cool to catch. But yeah, stay tuned for today's video, and it should be a banger. Guys, here's the boat for today. Got my dad's fishing boat. Pretty solid, you know. Looking like it's gonna be a good day. Not too windy, so hope we don't get seasick. But yeah, I'm hyped. Hopefully catch some really cool fish, and I'll show you guys in the beginning of the ocean. Yeah. Okay guys, right now we're just getting the crab trap all ready to get put in, and I'll film it when we're putting the bait in, but we're using raw chicken today, straight from the freezer, so definitely does not look very appetizing, but yeah, hopefully catch a lot of crab.
Frozen chicken backs.
Okay, we're now at the place where we're gonna start our first little jigging spot. A little bit windy, but yeah, we're just getting all set up here. Hopefully we'll catch a couple before we blow too far, but yeah, stay tuned for hopefully some fish. Oh, we got one! We got one!
Just a little tiny one.
Oh,
look at that, greenling. That was quick.
That was very quick.
Oh, got him in the side of the face.
Holy, first fish of the day. Goodbye. We got one here.
Looks like it might be a little bigger than the last one. Oh, lingcod or oh no, a little black cod. Let's see if we cannot long line release this one. There
First
you go.
fish in the boat for me. Holy, look at this guy.
Let's get him back in the water. Okay, hit it. Oh my gosh.
There's the eagle.
Oh, there's not an eagle, but there's a big blue heron that's right here. Just to add to the nature.
Oh, this one's big.
Oh, that's a lingcod. That is not a keeper though. Watch the teeth on that one. It's our fourth or fifth species today. Uh-oh.
Oh, he's in the boat! He's in the boat!
Watch his teeth.
I'm trying to pick him up.
Alright, see you, buddy. Back you go. And off he goes.
Oh,
Get up.
holy.
Oh, that's a good. This seems like a good size one. Yeah, tighten your drag a little bit. Just a little bit, not much. That was the wrong way. Just reel up slowly. Then reel on the way down.
This thing's huge!
gonna go. He'll go again. Careful, he'll go again.
Holy!
What the heck?
It's massive.
It's a big cabezone, I think. Careful, he's gonna go again. He'll go right back down again.
Can we eat it or not?
Yeah,
Should we?
sure.
Get the net. Holy. Holy!
That is a big one.
Okay, guys, I got him into the boat. Here he is. Holy cow! This thing is massive. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh! We're eating good tonight.
I got one too. And this is a little baby one. And I got one too. Oh, a lingcod. From over the edge.
Just a little guy. See you, buddy. Okay, now Dad's gonna cast, try and get a fish, and I'm gonna try and get the GoPro in the water and try and get some cool shots of the fish. So hopefully we get one. Okay, right now we're just outside this lighthouse here. Tons of sea lions, so I'm gonna get a little close-up video on these. It's crazy how loud these guys are. They're just yelling and yelling. It's unbelievable. Okay, time to say goodbye to these guys. Oh, this is so cool. But yeah. just back to where we put the crab trap in. We're just pulling it up now. So hopefully we got some crabs, maybe a couple for dinner. Test it with her. Too small. Female. Blue. All the crabs were too small or females, so we had to throw them all back. So left with an empty trap now. Okay, time to head home and go clean this fish. Guys, boat is back at the dock right now, so guys just pulling the truck down, and yeah, we're gonna get the boat out of the water and then we'll go clean our fish and then time to go home. Overall was a successful day. You know, we caught a lot of fish and cool eagle show, so I'm pretty excited about that, to look back and see all the footage of that. And yeah, the big sea lions was pretty awesome. So yeah, hype. Gonna hang this one up and see how much it weighs.
Holy.
8.5 pounds. It's pretty good. Just chilling here, just cleaning the fish right now. But as you can see, we got a couple of visitors. Got the eagle right there. Absolute crazy. He's just chilling, looking at me. I'll get a video of him. He looks so cool. Holy, big one. Okay, we're about to throw the tail that we just cut off the fish in, so hopefully the seals can get it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm here right now with the fish I caught, all ready to eat. So thanks for watching today's video, and stay tuned for more videos.
Essa é minha oportunidade, minha vida pode